You don't want to spend all your time in the gym doing the same grip.
Yeah.
You're only going to be training the same part. You need to work both parts.
The call has been pressed, Trev. Let me jump onto set quickly. Okay, guys, you are now watching Thomas Twins TV. You're chilling with your boy Del, twin brother Trev. You know how we do on this channel, all things health and fitness. We've got a brilliant tutorial today for you guys. Oh, before I even get into that, someone was talking about microphones. There was a comment saying we need to be clearer. So we've addressed that. Microphones are on.
Yeah.
Thanks
for adding that in, Del.
Yeah,
bringing you another tutorial video. This time we're talking about biceps. For those of you guys and girls out there that want to know how to sculpt the arms, tone up the arms, especially the bicep part, which is the muscles at the front of the arms, we're going to go through some exercises. If you feel this content is valuable, then share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Like and also comment. Other than that, we want to jump straight into this video. Catch you guys on the other side. Peace. Okay. Right. We've loaded up the bar. We've got the safety tags on here before you even start, Trev. I'm going to run through a few things with these guys. This is an Olympic bar. This is the 20 kg bar. We've got some plates on the side here. Like I say, the clips to stop these plates sliding off the end. If you just turn around a little bit, Trev, face the camera, I can show these guys the grip. So we're pretty much shoulder width apart with the grip. It's a supinated grip, obviously, for when we're doing bicep curls. I was going to say, Del, there's two different types of grips in it. This grip here works the inside head of the bicep. Let me just put it down for a second. You've got two parts of the biceps, guys. You've got the inside part here, and you've got the outside part. When we take a grip like this, we target the inside part of the bicep. You don't want to spend all your time in the gym doing the same grip. You're only going to be training the same part. You need to work both parts. Some people forget that, and they can spend ages and ages and ages
working the short head of the bicep.
Yeah, years and years just training one part of the bicep. You need to do both.
Okay, so let's get into the demonstration, show you how we're going to lift this weight, correct form. Let's take a side view on this so you can see exactly what's going on here, guys. No rushing, no swinging. Guys, just note that the chest is up nice and high. The elbows are locked in by the side. Nice controlled tempo, both up and down. And what we want to do is fully open the arm at the bottom. I say this to my clients all the time. Make sure we get full stretch on the bicep. And at the top, a little squeeze. Get that contraction going on.
Yeah, the negative phase is key, man. That's the other half of the rep.
Yep.
Coming up like this is just one part of it. Going down, you're still working, you're still training, you're still building.
Yeah. That's a good demo there. We're going to move on to the next exercise. So we just dig out some dumbbells now.
Yeah. I'll come back with those.
We'll get this off set. So the next exercise we're going to show you is going to be hammer curls. I'm happy for you to run this one back, Trev. That's fine.
Yeah.
So the setup is the same, guys. You can see the elbows are by the side. The chest is up nice and high. There's no swinging, controlled both upwards and downwards. The difference here, as Trev said previously, is the grip. Instead of being supinated here, we've got a neutral grip. Now this is targeting more the outside part of the bicep. So this is a long head. Here's some reps here to show you guys exactly how to do it. Don't have to go and try and be a hero in the gym, pick up the biggest weights. You want to keep the form nice and sharp. But just to get that little variation, that combo in your training program will help sculpt your arms properly.
Yeah. I mean, there's so many other types of exercises you can do, but we're trying to break it down to the basics, guys. Biceps, bi means two muscles in the biceps. You want to make sure you cover both of them in your workout so you get a nice rounded workout.
You're slightly out of breath there, Trev. Huffing and puffing, man.
And a strong physique.
And they're only the 12.5s. Bloody hell. Okay, now it's been a brilliant tutorial. Like Trev says, straight to the point. We'll cover the basics here. Hope you've got value from this content. Hope you subscribe.
Yeah.
Hope you have a good day.
And also drop your comments below if you want us to start explaining other, I'm running out of breath. If you want us to explain
other exercises,
etc., etc.
Other than that, guys, you know the magic trick. I'll do this and then I disappear.
See you later, guys.